3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the Ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolisali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the Ringer.
Ringing guys, it's Cal the Ringer. Today we're seeing this little claw do a little bit of demolishing in Ulverston. This is only a quick little shot and then we'll go. So trying to get to St. James. Look, he's wearing a hard hat down there.
You need it.
Yeah, oh, looks like it stopped. Oh well, but...
It's because that man's walking past, that's why.
yeah. You wouldn't want to be under there, would ya?
No.
But anyways guys, we're gonna end the vid now and we're gonna get to St. James. So if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.